Hi.
1 second.
Sure.
There we go. I
Yeah.
can hear now.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay. So I say, do you remember me, right?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, that's cool. You are so brilliant. We had a PK long time ago, and I was really so desperate to get you once again in my platform. You know, I do practice English by doing conversation with the native speaker, literally.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see a little shore. What happened it on your mouth? See a little shore over your face.
Eh?
Yeah. What?
It's for like pimples, like a pimple patch.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. It's natural, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you got some shore over your face. That's why you got this.
I'm okay.
Okay, how is going your life?
You're pretty good. How about you?
Yeah, pretty good to be honest, but uh, generally not too good actually. My life is going very, what I call it is typically. I want to change this scenario. I don't know how to change it. I'm trying my best.
Yeah.
Not too good, not too bad.
That's good.
So I'm very happy today because I got you once again. How do I just describe my feelings actually? If anybody get their dearest person, should be happy. So as well as I'm really so happy to see you as my dearest friend in my platform.
No worries.
Yeah.
I never do PKs because I get really shy, but I've talked to you before, so it's not so bad.
Yeah, look. So once again, I would like to see you lots of things from me because you literally don't like to have PK, but we had a PK and you remember me. That's why you accepted me once again.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the night time over there, right?
Yeah, it's 11 p.m.
Yeah. Okay. Have you finished your dinner?
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds good. So may I know what did you have on your dinner?
Let me think. I don't know. It was a.
Yeah, it's okay. You know what? When you wear the glasses, so you looks like doctor. So, are you a nurse or doctor, whatever else?
No.
Okay, you're so happy looking. Do you believe in religion?
I mean, I believe everyone has their own opinion on it. I don't know. I don't follow any sort of religion, but I'm not against religion.
Oh, sure. Yeah, I do respect every single religion. Every peoples have own religion, but it's completely depend on them whether they're gonna do follow or not. It's their own matter. But I do respect. Well, so that's it. As I know, you from Christian religion, right?
Yeah,
So-
that would have been what
Mhm.
I was born into that religion. Yeah,
Do you go to
baptized and stuff. Yeah.
Sure. Do you go to Christians?
No, I don't.
Okay, that's cool. So what else I asked you now at this moment because I'm losing everything because I actually were not ready to get you. I think you may just leave my request, but instead of leaving, you accept me. So appreciated for you.
Yeah, no problem.
You know, I'm as you know, I'm practicing English. We had a PK maybe 2 or 3 months ago, probably. I forgot really exact the time. So, what do you think about my English?
I think it's good. Yeah, no, your English is definitely a lot better than some people that I've met on this app. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Thank you. I usually I do PK with native speaker like Canadian, like American, Australian, British, and so on. Okay, and even I try to ask to the people who are basically from non-native speaker, how did you learn English? I have a Facebook page and YouTube channel also where I influence to my audience how to speak English and from where you should start your journey regarding of your situation. And that's why I'm practicing English. I need to improve my English skill.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I think you're doing good though.
Sure, thank you.